The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Crabmeat stuffed salmon is the kind of dish that looks like it belongs on a white tablecloth restaurant menu, but comes together with surprisingly little effort. The concept is elegant in its simplicity. Thick salmon fillets are slit lengthwise to create a deep pocket, which is then filled with a savory crabmeat stuffing before baking. The result is a visually stunning centerpiece, golden salmon giving way to a moist, flavorful filling that delivers the rich, buttery luxury of two seafood favorites in every bite. The version below comes from the Gone Fishin cookbook by the Mr. Food Test Kitchn. It calls for imitation crab meat flaked and combined with Italian breadcrumbs, onion powder, garlic powder, fresh parsley, and melted butter, then stuffed into 6 salmon fillets and baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Food Network Kitchen's take on the dish, developed by Lorenzo Espada, follows the same architectural principle: a slit down the center of the salmon, a crab filling tucked inside, but elevates it with a honey lemon glaze brushed over the finished fish. The Kitchn's recipe, produced by Jan Valdez, mirrors this approach with jumbo lump crab meat bound by mayonnaise, whole grain mustard, and cracker crumbs, finished with an optional blender Hollandaise. All three versions agree on the essentials: a thick fillet, a generous pocket, and a crab filling that stays moist inside the salmon as it bakes. Main ingredients: imitation crab meat, flaked, 1/2 pound, salmon fillets, 6 fillets, 6 fillets. Coating and binding: Italian breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup, butter, melted, 1/4 cup W seasonings, onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon, garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon, chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon. For serving, steamed asparagus, as desired. Hollandaise sauce, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. No cooking in this section, these are the prep steps to complete before you turn on the oven. Step 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat a baking sheet with cooking spray and set it aside. This ensures the salmon won't stick and cleanup will be effortless. Step 2. Flake the imitation crab meat. Take 1/2 pound of imitation crab meat and flake it apart with your fingers or 2 forks, breaking it into small, even shreds. The goal is a texture that will mix evenly into the stuffing without clumping. Imitation crab meat is used here for its affordability and subtle sweetness, though lump crab meat works beautifully if you prefer the real thing. Step 3. Melt the butter. Place 1/4 cup of butter in a small microwave-safe bowl or saucepan and melt it completely. Set aside, you'll use part of it in the stuffing mixture, and the remainder can be drizzled over the fillets before baking. Step 4. Measure the seasonings and breadcrumbs. Have ready 1/2 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh parsley. Italian breadcrumbs already contain dried herbs and cheese, which adds depth to the stuffing without extra work. Step 5. Combine the stuffing mixture. In a medium bowl, combine the flaked imitation crab meat, Italian breadcrumbs, onion powder, garlic powder, chopped fresh parsley, and melted butter. Mix well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture holds together when pressed. Set aside. Step 6. Prepare the salmon fillets. Take 6 salmon fillets. Using a sharp knife, cut a slit lengthwise down the center of each fillet, cutting about 3/4 the way through, deep enough to create a generous pocket for the stuffing, but not so deep that the fillet separates into 2 pieces. The Kitchn recommends starting 1 inch from one end and stopping 1 inch from the other end to keep the pocket sealed at both ends, which helps hold the filling in place during baking. Cooking steps. No prep in this section, everything below assumes your ingredients are ready. Step 1. Stuff the salmon fillets. Evenly divide the crab meat stuffing among the 6 salmon fillets, spooning the mixture into the pocket of each one. Press gently to fill the slit completely. The stuffing should be flush with the top of the fillet, not overflowing. If you have extra mixture, mound it slightly on top. Step 2. Arrange on the baking sheet. Place the stuffed salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet, leaving a small gap between each fillet so hot air can circulate. If any stuffing remains, sprinkle it evenly over the tops of the fillets. Drizzle any remaining melted butter over the fillets for a richer, golden finish. Step 3. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. The salmon is done when it flakes easily when pressed gently with a fork and the flesh has turned from translucent to opaque pink. The stuffing should be heated through and lightly golden on top. The Kitchn recommends checking for an internal temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer for medium rare salmon. 120 degrees Fahrenheit will give you a more well-done result. Step 4. Rest and serve. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the salmon rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute and the filling to set slightly. Transfer each fillet to a plate and serve immediately. Steamed asparagus is a natural companion, as the Mr. Companion Food Test Kitchn suggests, or drizzle with Hollandaise sauce for a restaurant-worthy finish.